Live to the page right now is this AMG C63, and it's got all the right options. Forged alloys, carbon aero pack, Obsidian Black, lowered, and it looks absolutely amazing. Proper baller package. Included in the carbon aero options, front splitter, canard, side skirts, spoiler and rear diffuser. And against the Obsidian Black paint, it looks absolutely pucker. The 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine produces over 500 horsepower, 0 to 60 time 3.8 seconds in standard form. And because it's an AMG, it makes all the right noises, and believe me, they are obscene. Mercedes are king of interiors right now, and this one's equipped with AMG Bucket Seats and all the carbon trim. And it's also got the Burmester sound system, so when you're not listening to that amazing exhaust note, you can be listening to some fat beats. Tickets for this C63 are just £5.89 on launch sale, and they're running out fast. So head on over to dreamcargiveaways.co.uk to grab yourself one. Not only do you win the car, but you also get £3,000 cash with it. How you spend that? That's up to you, and it's none of my business.